Ishigaki's epoch-making flood buster can be used regardless of water level. The conventional pump gate system had the problem of operable water level. Ishigaki has completely solved it with its new product, Flood Buster. Flood Buster is a pump gate system that operates at full speed on any water level. Ishigaki is proud of having overcome the problems of conventional pump gate systems. In recent years, extraordinary heavy rain is causing serious flood damage in various regions. Pump stations have been constructed to collect rainwater of the area and drain it to rivers and the sea as one of the measures to fight against the flood damage. Recently, pump gate systems are drawing a lot of attention as an excellent facility in a pump station. Since it's installed directly on the river or waterway, not only it needs a small piece of land, but also its housing can be very simple compared to the conventional pumping stations, which means a drastic cost cut. We have proposed many pump gate systems so far. But the pump gate system wasn't perfect. Since it is built directly on the waterway, it does not contain a suction sump, a facility that would store water and usually installed in the conventional pump station. Without a suction sump, its operable water level fluctuation range becomes narrow, and it may cause cycle on and off when the water inflow is not enough. Cycling on and off causes a burden on electric devices, such as the motor and starter, resulting in heat generation, which may cause problems in restarting the pump and may lead to a flood damage to the area. The shortcoming of the pump gate system was this type of risk that may occur when the operable water level range isn't wide enough. We have devoted ourselves to widen the operable water level range every time the pump gate system was modified and upgraded. The lowest operable water line for the first generation Ishigaki pump gate system with the horizontal axial motor was where the suction port was completely immersed, as indicated by the arrow. The operable water level range was the light blue colored part. The second generation Ishigaki pump gate system with the newly developed downward suction cover lowered the minimum operable water level by 20%, succeeding in widening the operable water level range. Furthermore, the third generation Ishigaki pump gate system achieved to even lower the operable water level by tilting the pump shaft and installing the special suction cover. These achievements, however, did not lead to a fundamental problem solution. Now, we came up with the idea that the pump must always be fully running at any water level to assure the use of the pump gate. Our Flood Buster has succeeded in realizing full-speed operation at any water level. This is the only system that has fundamentally solved the risk that the pump gate used to contain. Now let me show you how our Flood Buster works. When it rains, the gate is closed to prevent backflow from the discharge side. When the water flows into the waterway and the water level on the suction side reaches the startup level, the pump automatically starts running on all drain mode. As the inflow volume decreases, the water level will come down. The conventional pump gate system would have to be turned off when the water level drops to the minimum operable level. Flood Buster, however, will start sucking air with water when the water lowers to a certain level. It continues running on the air and water mode, discharging less water. When the water level drops further down, it will shift to the idling mode. The system is still running, but drainage has stopped. In addition, the newly adopted and dedicated shape intake will ensure smooth transition to each mode without using special electric control. It also eliminates harmful whirlpool in any mode, and vibration and noise are kept to the current level. The idling mode is a preparatory state which can immediately restart drainage while minimizing power consumption. If the idling mode continues for a certain time, the pump will automatically stop. On the other hand, when the water level rises as the rain becomes intensified, the pump immediately enters the air and water mode. If the water level goes further up, the all-drain mode will start. Here you see the function of BUSTER. The weather prediction is very difficult. Local, intermittent, and sudden heavy rains can lead to any disasters. Reliable pumping equipment is required to prevent such disasters. BUSTER has been developed in response to this requirement. The three modes, all drain, air and water, and idling, are automatically shifted and not by any complicated electric control such as inverters. The system is so simple that it's very difficult to break down. As it can run without water for a short time, it's thoroughly prepared for any natural disasters. Power consumption during the idling mode is only about 30% of the motor rating. BUSTER runs with any water level. ISHIGAKI supports safe and secure urban development with its excellent BUSTER.